9.8 don't want to run right, so let's pull the carb. Alright, I like to mark the throttle rod here, so when we hook it back up, we get in the rough place where it needs to be. 10 millimeter with a 6-inch extension. You're gonna need that. Let's pop off the choke rod here. Let that lay. Get a screwdriver. Loosen the throttle rod screw. Slide that out. Let that lie there. There's 2 bolts, one here, one's hidden back here. Come from the front of the air box. Got 2 gaskets and an isolator here. Four screws holding the float bolt. Pull the float bolt off. Looks pretty clean in here. Fuel looks old. Float bowl has a little grimy stuff in there. I'll spray that out. Alright, so these are the jets here. We're gonna pull those out. I think surprisingly usually the idle jet's clogged, but this time I think it's the high-speed jet. Oh, maybe not. I can see right through it. That little guy out of there, down there, way down there's a little low-speed jet. Alright, I had to get a different screwdriver. Let's get down in there. This little guy out. See if he's clogged up. This one looks a little clogged up, so spray some stuff through it. This is always the fun part with these. Try not to mess up your gasket. Alright, put your PVC hose back on. Reconnect our throttle. Tighten that up. Slip our choke lever back in. Yep, alright. Let's fire this thing. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but if not, I'm putting an original carb back on this. Idling now, so that's good. I have to replace the impellers though. Well, it's pretty much doing the same thing, but it idles now. I wonder if the fuel pump's weak. Maybe the fuel filter. It's definitely not getting enough fuel at high RPMs. Or did I just throw an original carburetor on this first and see if that fixes everything? Alright, my lazy ass went through my garage and factory carb. Used fuel pump, I think it was still good. And I got a bunch of fuel line and stuff. Alright, let me get this factory carb back on and then we'll start it and take it from there. Alright, I put a factory carb back on. I replaced the fuel line from the pump to the carb because it was getting short. Let's see what happens now. Back. Good old OEM carb. Chinese copy was no good. I think they put one on there that was supposed to like make it a 15 horsepower too, but